Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add files in Slack. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, start from Slack's homepage. From the homepage, navigate to your workspace, which acts as your virtual office, where all communication and team interactions happen. Once you're inside your workspace, head over to the Channels section. Channels in Slack function like focused rooms dedicated to specific projects, topics, or departments. After entering the channel where you want to share a file, locate the message editor. At this point, type any message you want to accompany your file. This could be a short explanation. With your message ready, the next step is to find the Attach File button. After clicking the Attach File button, you'll see several options, and the one you want is Upload from your computer. Choose that, and a window will appear allowing you to browse through the files saved on your device. Select the file you want to share, and make sure you double-check that it's the correct one before moving forward. Once the file is attached and everything looks good, the final step is to send it. Just click the Send button, and your message along with the attached file will instantly appear in the channel for everyone to see. And that's it. So that is how you can add files in Slack. So that's all for this video. Thanks.